Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and it's just equal in material. Both have a queen and a rook, but white is winning because of its good position. So the thing you need to notice is the queen is under attack, so you can't move the king and unleash a discover check. So with that in mind, go ahead, pause the video and get the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the queen is just under attack, so you can't move the queen, you can't move the king and unleash a discover attack, and the rook is actually defended, so you can't capture that rook either. So what can you do? Well, you may probably defend your queen like this to unleash a discover attack on the next move, but black would just capture your queen, and after you capture back, there is no way you can win this, right? So you may just follow the king like this, but black would just eventually will go out like this. So you have to move somewhere. Black would get out like this, and there is no way simply. So this is just a draw. So what can you do? The other thing you probably try to do is give a check with the queen, but you don't have any check, right? There is no safe check. So I am going to move to the correct move, which is rook to a8. So basically now the queen can capture this and the king can capture this, but if the king captures, we simply play queen to g8 and queen to a2 is going to be checkmate. So this is going to be checkmate in this position. If black decided to block this, this is once again checkmate. So this is what would happen if black decided to capture the rook with the king. But if black captures the rook with the queen instead, the rook would be free of charge and we can capture the rook. And look at the queen position. The queen is stuck in the corner doing absolutely nothing, and on the next move we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 checkmate trade. We have 4 checkmate trade, which black cannot stop all of them. So black can stop this checkmate, but this is another checkmate. Black can't do anything. Black can actually stop this checkmate, but we can simply play here and checkmate the black king. So black can't stop all of them. Actually, the best move is to just sacrifice the queen and get time to move the king a little more and get checkmated. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So for recap, first we are going to play rook to a8, sacrificing the rook, and then we capture the rook, threatening 4 checkmate trades, which black can't stop any of them. I mean, which all of them, black can't stop all of them, and ultimately we are going to win the game this way. If you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.